Hello and welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. In today's tutorial, we're exploring the buffer tool for points, lines, and polygons. Buffering allows us to create zones or proximity areas around spatial features, opening up a range of applications in spatial analysis. So, let's get started. In the initial step, we loaded 3 distinct spatial datasets: a point, a polyline, and a polygon shapefile. Throughout this video, we'll explore the process of buffering these various geometries. Let's start with the point shapefile. To access the buffer tool, navigate to the vector menu, select Geoprocessing Tools, and click on Buffer. A new window will appear. Choose the point shapefile from the available options. Now, set the desired distance value in the highlighted box. In this example, we've set it to 1,000 feet. Remember, you can change the units to meters or other options through the highlighted section. The segments parameter controls the number of line segments used to approximate a quarter circle for creating rounded offsets, and we've kept the default value. Moving forward, the end cap style parameter determines how line endings are handled in the buffer, offering options like round, flat, and square. The join style parameter specifies whether round, miter, or bevel joins should be used when offsetting corners in a line, with options including round, miter, and bevel. Lastly, the miter limit parameter applies to miter join styles, controlling the maximum distance from the offset curve when creating a miter join. In this example, we've set it to 2. To create the buffer for points, click on the Run button at the bottom of the window. The red polygons you see on the screen are the results of this process. Additionally, when we change the end cap style parameter to square and run the process, you'll observe polygons like these. Now, let's extend our buffer analysis to both line and polygon shapefiles. The process is identical to what we did for points, with the only difference being in the input layer section, where you'll provide the line or polygon shapefiles to the tool. Here, we're presenting the results for both the line and polygon shapefiles. Now that we've covered the basics of buffering for points, lines, and polygons, I encourage you to dive deeper into the buffer tool. Experiment with different parameters, particularly the end cap style and join style for both line and polygon shapefiles. Try changing them, observe the results, and share your findings in the comments below. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the buffer tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more geospatial content. Your engagement and feedback are vital to our community. Thanks again for being a part of the BEEiLab channel. Until next time.